Good afternoon, everyone. Our today's topic in strategic human resource management is globalization and the effect of globalization on workplace. So, first we need to understand the concept of globalization and to understand the meaning of globalization. So, the meaning of globalization is usually interpreted to indicate the integration of economy of the nation with the world economy. So it is the result of the collection of multiple strategies that are directed to transforming the world towards the great towards to create a greater independence and integration. It also includes the creation of network and pursue transformational goals, economic, and to eliminate economical and geographical barriers. So, globalization tries to build a link in such a way that events occurring in India can determined by the event happening in from distant away. So we can put all these words together. Globalization is a method of interaction and union among the people, corporations, and government universally. And now we should talk about the advantages of globalization, although there are advantages and disadvantages both. So if we talk about advantages of globalization, so we will certainly see three kind of uh, importance of globalization. So first is definitely there is an increase in uh, employment. So with the special opportunity in special economic zones, including export processing zones, centers in India, it is very useful for employing thousands of people. Another additional factor is that India has a cheaper labor. So this feature motivates big company from the foreign uh, to outsource employees from the India. Second big advantage of globalization is increase in compensation. So after globalization, the level of compensation has been increased manifold. So as a compare of domestic company, due to the skills and knowledge of a foreign company, uh, uh, foreign companies can offer a increased compensation for the work. So this opportunity also emerge as the alteration of management structure in the Indian companies also. And the third and foremost important advantage is a higher standard of living. So with the help of globalization, everything is in the reach of every customer. So with the outbreak of globalization, Indian economy and the standard of living of individual has also been increased. This change is notified with the purchasing power of an individual. So we can even we can also calculate it with the help of per capita income of a country. So definitely the standard of living is now become higher than ever. So now we will discuss about the main topic, which is the effect of globalization at our workplace. So there are various effects of globalization, and the full impact of globalization in workplace is uh, yet to be realized. But the more companies are coming globally and become more diverse, so certain changes are emerging nowadays. While many of these changes are good, other may have not be so positive. Small business owner are learning that they have to adopt new policies and new guidelines to keep up with these changes. So first impact is the increase cultural diversity. So cultural diversity is the term which is used for people or employees belong to various cultures. So as globalization become more prevalent, companies deal with increasing cultural diversity at workplace. These changes requires a small and large business to adopt new policies and guidelines for workers. And this increased cultural diversity also has produced many benefit as a company to gain new insight into different culture from a management and making their standpoint very clear. Second effect could be the earning changes of workers. So as the more company have access to overseas company and they offer outsourcing, so wages, structure of wages is also has been changed nowadays for workers. So with the lower standard of living, third world companies can also can offer other services that a rate greatly reduced from the those countries who have a higher standard of living. So this is the effect many workers in all over the places, all over the countries, in larger and the smaller countries, uh, need to embrace the outsourcing trend. And while it means a greater profit margin of a companies, it can also lead to reduction in earning potential of employees. Next effect is employees diversity training. So if a company has diverse employee, uh, so they need to give different kind of training to train them as well. See, the culture, religion and ethnic diversity in the workplace present a need for more employee training in order to protect their companies from new employees with the discrimination. Managers has to implement policy that can offer training to existing employees to make sure everyone can adopt one another. This has led to a greater appreciation for other cultures and understanding others point of view in your company. While uh, when the organization culture does not allow employees to understand every individual's work culture and his aspect of working, so it will certainly create a irritating atmosphere for some employee who prefer less culturally diverse workforce environment. Next effect of globalization is increased workplace standard. So companies in foreign countries, particularly in European countries, have had to adopt more Western standard in terms of providing better workplace, safe workplace. So Asian countries need to learn from Western countries, uh, so that they can increase the working condition of workplace and the standards of workplace. This directly benefit to the employee who may have been previously working in an unsafe environment. So they will certainly feel themselves lifted. While conditions are still remain poor in some areas, an increase in concern over work safety and the apparent and particularly in the large companies. And additionally, concern over child labor has also improved. uh, there are rules regulations which may prevent the condition of working of child in a organization. And next effect could be the job losses. So lower demand can lead to decrease in manufacturing, which in turns has a result in manufacturing job losses across the global arena. So much of the losses has been a result of increased trade with the countries like China and India. So market that have been especially affect uh, is the market of manufacturing of electronic, textile, clothing, furnitures. So there are, as the technology introduced, so job losses, and the companies are becoming global, so they adopt new technologies, and due to these new technologies there could be a possibility of job losses. Then the effect of globalization is majorly on the information part. So every information, every kind of, every new technology which is coming in the market, whatever your competitors are doing, so everything comes in the form of information, and it is readily available to each and every organization if they want to access. So it is one of the major impact of globalization at workplace. So now nowadays the informations and communications are more transparent than ever. So these are the concept of globalization and its impact on the workplace. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.